In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail notification easy way. By the end, your computer will alert you the moment a new message arrives, so you don't have to keep checking your inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to receive alerts for. If you use multiple accounts, it helps to confirm you're in the right inbox before you change anything. Desktop notifications work best in modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari on a computer. Next, look to the top right of Gmail and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens the Quick Settings panel, which is handy for layout tweaks, but for notifications, we need the full settings page. In that quick panel, click See All Settings. This takes you to the complete settings area where everything is organized by tabs. By default, you'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Now, on the General tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is the control center for Gmail's built-in alerts. You'll see options to turn notifications on for all new mail or only for important mail. If you get a lot of email, choosing Important Only can reduce distraction by alerting you just to messages Gmail thinks matter most. If you want to be notified for every new message, pick New Mail Notifications On. After selecting the option you prefer, keep an eye out for a prompt from your browser asking you to allow notifications from mail.google.com. Click Allow. If you miss the prompt, you can usually find a small lock or permissions icon near the address bar to enable notifications for the site. Also, if your computer has Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode turned on, you may not see notifications until that's disabled, so keep that in mind. Once you've chosen your notification setting, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is easy to overlook, but it's essential. Your selection won't apply unless you save. After saving, Gmail will display a quick confirmation, and you're set. That's it. Gmail is now configured to show desktop alerts, and your browser and system are allowed to display them. If you want extra peace of mind, you can send yourself a quick test email to confirm you see a notification pop up. Thanks for watching. If the video has been helpful and you want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.